Hi everybody, today let's join Captain Discovery as we explore the secret behind the door of one of the largest sour gummy bear factories in the world. These colorful candies are not only a favorite among children, but adults can hardly resist their charm either. So, how are these delightful treats made? Let's start with a bit of history. Gummy bears first came into life in the 1920s in Germany, invented by Hans Riegel, the founder of Haribo. He pioneered the chewy candy bears using a long-established technique of gelatin-based confectionery. After its introduction to the United States in 1980, the popularity of gummy bears soared, leading to numerous versions by American manufacturers. Now let's dive into the fascinating production process of these sweet, chewy delights. One, ingredient preparation. Before entering the production area, workers go through a rigorous sanitation process. Key ingredients are prepared: gelatin, which provides the signature chewy texture, sucrose and corn syrup to add sweetness, and citric and malic acids to infuse the candies with their sour taste. Two, mixing ingredients. Ingredients are added to a large kettle designed for even mixing. The mixture is then heated and continuously stirred until it reaches the desired concentration. Three, shaping. The hot mixture is transferred to a mogul machine, which uses starch molds to shape the candy. This machine not only prevents the candies from sticking, but also helps them set and harden. Each mogul station is manned by two workers, ensuring a smooth operation as the filled molds move along the conveyor to the cooling area. A funnel holds 40 liters of mixture, which is poured into molds on the conveyor belt. Workers carefully move the filled molds to a cooling area, allowing them time to set properly. This production line has the capability to produce 600 kilograms of gummy bears per hour, which translates to approximately 200,000 individual candies, assuming each weighs 3 grams. Four, drying and cooling. Once shaped, the candies are demolded and sent through a cooling tunnel. The latch mechanism is ingeniously engineered so that pressing it down triggers the removal of the candies, which then descend into a cooling tunnel, where a cooling system blasts cold air to solidify them efficiently. Here they are, cooled by a blast of cold air for about 5 to 8 minutes. Five, finishing and packaging. Finally, the gummy bears are sugar-coated, dried, and ready for packaging. The vibrant hues and bustling activity of the candy factory create an enchanting scene, reminiscent of stepping into a magical wonderland. A sophisticated sorting machine, resembling a giant octopus with many tubes, divides the candies before they're bagged or jarred. Once the candies have been portioned into smaller quantities, they are conveyed into bags. Subsequently, a machine precisely separates these bags, preparing them for distribution. Other varieties of the candy are neatly packed into jars, which are securely sealed and labeled with care to ensure product information is clear and accurate. After packaging, the products undergo a final check to ensure accurate weight and quality. Each of these packages is meticulously prepared to have a net weight of 2,000 grams, ensuring consistency across the product line. In the final step of the process, workers systematically load packages and boxes of candy into shipping cartons, readying them for transportation to markets worldwide. Six, environmental protection concerns. The factory also prioritizes environmental protection by recycling the starch used in molds and using renewable energy sources to minimize environmental impact. Thanks for exploring the sour gummy bear production process with us. If you're amazed by the blend of technology and craftsmanship we showcased, like, share, and comment your thoughts below. Don't forget to subscribe to Captain Discovery for more interesting journeys.